All right, let's do this. So I'm starting off with dry hair. My hair is completely dried. I got in the shower this morning and I washed it. I did like a co-wash, so they say to start on dry hair, so we're gonna start on dry hair. This is the box that we're gonna be using, and I just picked this up from Walmart. The texturizer is just supposed to give your hair a little bit more curl pattern, and my hair already kind of, like, it's 4C, so it still has a curl pattern, but you know, I just want a little extra. And also, while it's this short, it's kind of hard to style it in slick back styles because it's so kinky, so hopefully this will calm it down a little bit, and then everything will just fall into place after that. I'm with this, and this is the actual texturizer, which 2 pink oil moisturizing hair lotions, some shampoo, and then curl activator moisturizer, and then curl and wave gel activator. Okay, I'm just gonna start. Just gonna do it. I'm gonna use this because they say to use a tiny comb to apply it into your hair. So I'm just gonna use this, and we're just gonna bite the bullet. It's so thick. Oh dear God. Okay. Wait! I'm so dumb. I forgot my petroleum jelly. I'll be tripping, y'all, sorry. But this is just gonna go on my edges just so I guess I don't burn off my scalp. I don't know. I'm gonna put a lot because I'm like extra paranoid, so. I'm hella nervous. I hope this isn't a mistake. Okay. So I'm just going to start. Oof. And I want to work kind of fast because, you know, I heard other people also say they're like, oh, sometimes if you don't work fast enough, one side turns out a lot more defined than the other side. And I would hate that. As my hair is slicked, it's so thick. I just put it on and it said like 30 minutes. I think I'm gonna do like 15 and then maybe take it out and see because I'm a little paranoid. But it's just like hella thick. That's what the back kind of looks like. It was harder than I thought, man, getting it all over my hair. I just hope I did it right. I'm like nervous that I didn't. It just kept saying, use a wide tooth comb. I'm like, okay. Okay, I'm gonna set my timer now for like 15 minutes and I'm gonna go clean up because, dear God, I still have so much left. Look at all of that. Maybe that's what the cap is for, if you want to save some for later. I don't know. My ear's already burning because I did not put Vaseline on my ear. So I'm gonna go handle this and then we'll be back. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes, so I think I'm gonna go wash it out now and then put the shampoos in. So let's go do that. So it's starting to tingle a little bit, like right around the sides. So I'm gonna take that as an indicator. I know it's at 30 minutes for coarse hair, but my hair has been bleached and it specifically said do not use it on bleach, so that's why I left it in for such a short time, because I'm paranoid. Like so far, they definitely did not curl my hair, just straightened it. I kind of knew that that was a possibility of happening, but whatever. I'm gonna use this curl activator moisturizer. We'll see what this does. Let's see if this activates the curls. And voila, curl's still not activated. I'm going to wash this and put some deep conditioner in it, and then I'll meet y'all back in my room and we'll assess what's going on here. I'm gonna assess it. Okay, I look a little crazy, but this is how the texturizer turns out. I thought it was gonna give me like, I seen like, cause it's S-curl, so it's supposed to make your hair kind of curly, but I knew that, you know, on bleached hair is probably gonna make my hair straight, which it did, which I'm fine with, because again, like, I don't know, I've kind of been running out of ways to style it, so I've been wanting to do some wraps, some hair wraps, some slick down, some press style, so now this kind of gives me the freedom to do that. And I guess what I'm gonna plan to do is like, you know, put a relaxer in it now, and then I'm gonna like let it grow out. Not a relaxer, a texturizer. So I'm gonna let the texturizer grow out, and then eventually, you know, once this all grows out, I'll just chop off my hair and be able to start fresh from like my 4C kinky curls. But I was like, you know, why not like experiment with the hair? So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like in the back. I'm really excited to just work with it, honestly, and style it. I think it'll be super cute. I look like a hobo right now because it's not styled or anything, so it looks super weird. So this is our final result. I think that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys for watching this texturizing tutorial. I feel like really crazy. I need to like seriously go and reflect on what I just did to my hair, but I'm excited to experiment and just to see what all holds for me. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.